Okay, so one of the things we're doing in EiB Analytics 2.18 is to offer the ability of packaging applications so they're easier to navigate from an end user's point of view rather than just opening files crudely from the Excel desktop. So here we've got a menu in EiB Analytics 2.18 and I want to add a new option into the budgeting and forecasting menu. So you'll see if I scroll down here, I've got another report that I want to add in, another data entry sheet that I want to add in. Now we've laid out this Excel workbook for you to make things easy. So if I want to take an icon, there's a whole raft of icons that we'll provide, but here I'm just going to simply cut and paste that in. But underneath here, where I've got the ability to link the reports that I want to be called from the menu, I go to the EiB Analytics ribbon here, simply say Insert Gallery Link, and I go to the folder that I want to link and then pick the file. So I've got a Sage 200 data entry sheet here that I've built by period, and I want to link that into that cell. Now you'll see at the moment there is a little hyperlink there, so if I touch that, although it's in white on white there, if I touch that now, that would actually cause that. But of course one of the things I really want to do here is I want to actually paint the format that I want to use here. So if I go into Format Painter here, if I just literally click on here, go into Format Painter, hit there, and now I've got my Sage 200 Fini data entry by period. So I've now added to that menu, but what does that look like? If I click on that sheet, that will now load the report from the gallery. And this is really nice because unlike if you were doing this by saving items on the desktop where the paths actually matter, because we're doing it here in the gallery, then I can easily move these files around and all the menu links will still be valid. And of course when I come out of that now, hit Don't Save, I'm back to where I was in the report. So nice and easy way of packaging, adding menu items, adding creative menus, making it easier for the end user to navigate around your application.